Da, 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 da.
Hi Mimi, how are you my darling? You ready for school? See your cute hair. See your cute hair, guys. Esther made this hair yesterday. So pretty. It's all Mia's hair. Like this is all Mia's hair. We put beads for her. Some don't have the beads because Mia will always be Mia Rose, but I really love the hair. So nice. Let me see well now. Am I disturbing you? I'm disturbing you. Are you ready to go to school? Yeah. Should we go? Yeah. Mommy will drop you in school. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Meanwhile, Mommy is looking like this. This is my go and drop your child in school look. I always throw on something and tie my hair with a scarf. Every other morning, if I'm not wearing something casual like shorts and a top, I would wear this. Mom life, crazy stuff. Anyway, let me go and drop this madam in school. It's already. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. God, who is this? Who is this person? Who is this person? You guys see, at this point I feel like my husband needs to pay another bride price. Okay, I feel like he needs to pay another bride price because who is this damsel? Who is this person? Jesse, if you're watching this, you need to pay another bride price. Well, anyways, I just finished well, I didn't just finish, but I did some work today, shot some videos, some sponsored videos for Instagram mainly. That was what I did today. And yeah, I'm feeling really good today. Feeling really good today. I'm about heading out because makeup and hair cannot be wasted. It can't be wasting. So I'm heading out in a bit. I have an appointment with Blessing of BB Artistry. I'm going over to hers right now. We need to finalize on the prize she is sponsoring for a day with Alma Ngur, and then also my outfit for a day with Alma Ngur because she's styling me. So we have like a mini meeting to talk about all of that, and then also a collaboration, a partnership with her brand as well. So it's a lot of talking that needs to be done today. Okay, that's where I'm heading to right about now. And yeah, a girl is ready. Okay, I hope I don't get stares in traffic because guys, each time I'm driving in this Abuja, people stare at me in traffic. People be winding down their glasses in traffic. It's crazy, but I hope I don't get any of that today. You guys, you need to see me a Rose. I've not been showing me a Rose in the vlogs for like a while. She's always not in the house or in school or just see. Anyways, she's here today. Mimi, look, say hi peeps. Hi peeps. Hi peeps. They've been missing you. They've been missing you on the vlogs. They've been missing you on the vlogs. Hi. Oh, yeah, ask them, how are you?
Bye.
No, ask them. Tell them, how are you?
How are you today?
How are you today?
Mommy.
And I'm sure you guys will answer in the comments how you are doing today, because Mia has asked you, how are you doing today? Say au revoir.
Au revoir.
Ooh. For you, I give up everything. Does it concern anybody? Let's see, please don't overdress me for this event. It's not a red carpet event. I don't want to be overdressed for my own event. Baby artistry. Over there. Blessing, I don't want to be overdressed. Where am I going?
What's the vibe you're going for? Sex.
Cute.
Oh wait, on a good day you just say like
No, I actually worked. I created content earlier. Blessing is watching me, you guys. Blessing is watching me.
look at you.
Blessing, I does not concern anybody. Whether it's a red carpet event I'm hosting or not, that I am the host of the event. It is my event, so I must say. Please let me tell her that I don't want to come and be looking as if I'm going to one dinner in presidential villa. This is really cute. But the shaker is like disco party. It's like disco party dress. But it's actually really cute. It's actually really cute. It does it now, actually. And it's giving me that vibe. It's cute and sexy, so.
Yeah, it's like all the right colors.
It's giving me that vibe. These sexy skates. These sexy skates. Know what to do for me.
Yeah.
So skater dress with feathers and things. If you are coming for a day with Alma, go better wear fine clothes and come, because my girl is saying I cannot look anyhow and go and do my first event. So if you are coming, you have to look correct. Okay, come correct, because he's about to finish me with cloth now. For this event though. Okay, well, we are sketching Alma's dress. So Alma's dress for a day with Alma Ngur. Hey.
I was so happy when I said that.
I know, right?
Time, girl.
Shall come to life soon. Oh, that's so my vibe. Oh, skater dress, tulle and feathers.
Yep.
Wow.
What we're doing.
I like how I'll just tell you something, you just visualize it and start opening your mouth. Okay, so we'll do this, do that, and it always makes sense. As in, you don't have an outfit by BB Artistry by now. I don't know what you're doing with your life, Sha, in this Abuja. In fact, in this whole world, because she ships worldwide. So I don't know what you're doing, sis. From my page, hey. Oh, that warms my heart. I'm so happy when I hear brand owners say, oh, we got clients from you. Like, that's the whole idea for me. This dress is right up my alley right now. Oh, so cute. Can't wait. And then, if you're coming for a day with Alma Ngur, somebody's going to win an outfit from BB Artistry. So, by the time this vlog is going up, I'm sure we've already finished selling out slots. So, I cannot help you, I'm sorry. Only those who are coming have a chance to win it. Yeah? One of these cute dresses. I'm not sure which one she's gonna give, but something in this shop. Something here. It's gonna be your own. So, stay tuned. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. Today is Wednesday. I'm just about heading out. I have a couple of errands to run today. One, I need to go and pick up some products from a brand sponsoring a day with Alma Ngur. Crystalena's Nigeria, they actually asked that I pick up the products today, so I'll be going there to pick them up. Then I am taking my videographer, because obviously you guys know that I cannot be vlogging on that day, so I have a videographer, the same person who shot my house tour. Okay, so he will be covering a day with Alma Ngur. I'm meeting up with him today to take him to the venue, just so that he has an idea of, you know, what the place looks like. And then let me see what else. Oh yeah, the goodie bags, the actual bags themselves. I used to forget that I have to make the bags themselves. That one is all on me. So if I'm done with all of my other meetings, then I would have to, you know, go to where I need to print them, the bags, the menu cards, and the program. but we have just a little program like this. And they've already been designed, guys. They were designed. She said, Alma, don't give me shout outs, don't give me this, I just love you, I just want to help out. I get it, but I'm still going to give her a shout out. On Instagram she is Bell Inc, Bell double underscore Inc. I'll leave it on the screen. And then she has a second handle as well. I'm not sure what her second handle is as well, but yeah, she designs logos. She even designed, I think she designed my current channel arts, okay, on YouTube, and my current end card. She designed them. And so she designed our menu cards, program, the way the goodie bag is going to look. She designed all of that for me for free. Thank you so much, darling. I'll leave both her handles on the screen so that you can check them out. I'll probably even leave like side-by-side pictures of what we are working with for the event. So yeah, I'm heading out right about now. I'm wearing this bob wig. I want to straighten it a little bit. I want to give my blonde hair a bit of a rest today because I wear it every other day, and I wear it, that's like my content creation hair so far, so for the year. So I've kept it there until I get tired of using it to create content. I'm going to be using it. So let me just straighten my hair. Obviously no makeup day.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
Hi, my coordinator. Hi, my videographer. Guys, we finished our meeting. Are you excited? So excited! Yes! Okay guys, so I'm done with meeting Fen and Bella, my coordinator and my videographer, for a day with Alma and Ngur. So it was just nice hanging with them, showing them the place. We talked a lot about the event and everything. I actually wanted to go get this goodie bag, like the actual bags, you know, done today, and then print the menu cards and all that, but it's already 5:30 p.m. and I doubt that is going to work today, so I'm going to leave it for tomorrow morning. That will be my waka for tomorrow morning, strictly to go and focus on doing this stuff so I can get that one out of the way. I do have some products that came in, so I went to pick up one and then one got delivered to me here. They're over there, some of our sponsored products. One bag is from Crystallina's NG and one is from Mocolaras. Let me see, like, I'll show you guys. Yeah, one is from Mocolaras, one is from Crystallina's. I'll show you guys properly. When I get home, most likely today. If not today, I'll show you guys in the morning, you know, what they look like. But everything is coming together so well. I will have to come back here in 2 days time. My decorator wants to also see the place so that she knows what she's working with. So I will definitely come back here in 2 days time. Mia told me to buy her pizza. That girl has become very demanding. She told me to buy her pizza, so I will have to stop somewhere and buy pizza, maybe like this smally pizza, because I'm already stuffed. I had pasta here and I'm stuffed, so I'll probably just get her smally pizza or something. I don't know. Let me just go talk to you guys in a bit.
The next day.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. I look tired because I'm actually tired. This is like 11:30 p.m. Saturday evening, and I'm here to even take off my makeup after a long day. But hope you guys are doing well. So I just want to announce the winners for the giveaway for a day with Alma and Ngur. So I promised I was going to give out 3 slots, 1 which was already sponsored, and then 2 that I will be sponsoring myself. So I announced the giveaway in what vlog was that now? My last vlog, okay? And I announced that I was going to announce the winners in today's vlog. So that is why we are here. I've been going through the comments, like, guys, I honestly wish I honestly wish that everybody that entered for this giveaway can attend this hangout day with me, because that is my absolute desire. But unfortunately, because of how everything is planned, that cannot happen. But I had to look for the most fair way to pick the winners for this giveaway. I really did not want to pick randomly at all, like at all. I didn't want to pick randomly at all. I just wanted it to be fair, okay? I wanted it to be very fair. So what I did was that I went through the comments, okay, and went through the comments for those who entered the giveaway. Obviously, not all the comments under that vlog were to enter the giveaway. Some of you are based outside Abuja, some outside Nigeria, but I looked carefully at all the people who commented to enter the giveaway. Thankfully, YouTube has given us this feature. I don't know if that works on a desktop or on a laptop, but like when you use your phone, YouTube gives you this feature where you can click on the profile of somebody who commented on your video, and you would see their history with your channel. So you get to see how many comments they've made on your channel so far. And for me, that was the deciding factor. To me, it just made sense to pick the people who have made the highest comments on my channel, at least for those who entered the giveaway, right? Very sure that there are some people who did not enter the giveaway but have equally made a lot of comments, left a lot of comments on my channel, but this is just for those who entered the giveaway. So the very first person that I knew I had to pick out of all the giveaway comments is Joanne Theo. Joanne Theo, congratulations. Joanne Theo has left 155 comments on my channel. My mind was completely blown. 155 comments on my channel from only her. That is mad. That's crazy. So congratulations, Joanne Theo. You have the very first slot out of the 3 slots, okay? Then next on my list is Enema Chidebere. Enema Chidebere has left 107 comments on my channel. You guys love me. It's ridiculous, okay? So Enema Chidebere, congratulations. I hope to see you on the 5th of February. Joanne Theo, the same as you. Then the next person here that has made the highest number of comments on my channel with 96 comments is Tony George. Tony George. So you are the 3rd person, and I will be seeing you on the 5th of February. I'm so excited. There were like 2 other people. One person 93 comments and the other person 82 comments. And I know I was only supposed to give out 3 slots, but I really want to make an exception and add 1 more slot. So I'm going to be giving the last slot to the person who has left 93 comments on my channel, and that person is Ogom's Series. Congratulations, Ogom's Series. So Joanne Theo, Enema Chidebere, Tony George, and Ogom's Series, congratulations to you guys, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the 5th of February. There were so many people who had left like 70 something comments, 50 something comments, but I can't pick everybody. I can't pick everybody, guys. Yeah, and we are completely sold out on a day with Alma and Ngur. I just had to announce this winners. We sold out earlier today, being Saturday, and with this 4 people now, like there's no space anymore, literally. So you guys, please just send me DMs. If I mentioned your name as a winner, please just send me a DM. Leave a comment in the comment section to acknowledge. I'll add your name to the guest list, and I will still send you a follow-up email or DM days to the events as a reminder. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you didn't win, I'm so sorry. I feel so terrible. I wish everybody could win, but everybody cannot win. Don't worry, guys. There will be goodie bag giveaways, okay, after the events. I will reserve some goodie bags to give away. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. I'm excited. We are literally 1 week away from a day with Alma and Ngur, and I cannot wait to meet every single one of you coming. It's so surreal and everything is going according to plan. It's just crazy. So I'm super happy about that. Anyway, just thought to do that to end today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share, subscribe, because you don't want to miss all the coming vlogs. You don't want to miss it, okay? Oh, and by the way, thank you guys so much for 20k subscribers. Wow, that was my 2021 goal, end of year goal. We did not hit it in December, but we hit it in January, and it's still fine by me. I'm super excited for 20,000 of you. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. The goal is 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do it anyways. All right. Yeah, so make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.
Say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking again and again. Argue about everything.